Hey there guys, girls, welcome back to some HDA Family Zone. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own Google account. So first of all, for that, go to account.google.com and it will take you to this page. I'll just remove this account, old one, and then it will take you to this page. Click on create an account for myself, and then I write a name, Dino Gaming, and then here I will write gaming 123, and then it will ask you to write your own password. So I write A, and then confirm your password means write that password again in case you don't forget it. Okay, and then click on next, and then now it will ask your phone number for your verification security. Google wants to make sure that it is really you. Google will send a text message with a 6-digit verification code. Standard rate applied. So I'll be back in a moment after I write my phone number. So as you guys can see, I have verified my code, and now it will ask you for a phone number again, but you don't need to do that because it is optional. You guys can see, and this is also optional recovery email address, but I'll write this email address one. Okay, and then I'll write my birth of date, 5 month July year. I write my mother's because it is her laptop. Okay, then click on next, and you don't need to read this whole, and then click on I agree, and then 3 2 1 bam, you have created your own Google account. Now you can just change this and select a photo from your computer, and I'll just select this from my Roblox, and then I'll make it like this, and then set as profile photo, and then now it should keep it as the profile photo. Yeah, and if this doesn't comes again, you just need to reload these pages, and then it should come. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and wait a second. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.